ऑलमोस्ट गिरा दिया भाई। Don't forget to drink your water and also your chai. Hashtag stay hydrated. Hashtag chai is love. Now, if you want to see merchandise with chai and water, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Not that I'm not working on it, but I just want to take your input on it. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technoloop. Apple has been killing it with their iPhones in the past couple of years, especially with the camera department. They are finally listening to people and giving them what they want. Now, Steve Jobs always said that the customers don't know what they want. That is true to some extent, but nowadays things have changed and a lot of people do know what they want, and Apple is finally listening. So yeah, Tim Cook and his team are doing a fairly good job. Now, a prime example of what I'm talking about is the iPhone 12 series. It is arguably the best phone out there in terms of the cameras. iPhone 12 mini, which is the cheapest of the lot, shares the same camera setup as with the iPhone 12, and it is capable of shooting some amazing photos and incredible videos. Now, before we move forward, this video is brought to you by Capes India. Capes India makes some of the most high quality and precise skins out there for a lot of phones, including the iPhone 12 mini. They have a variety of options on their website and you can customize your phone in whatever way you want. If you ask me, my favorite skins are the pastel ones, especially the pastel green, and it looks awesome. So don't forget to check out Capes India by clicking the link in the description box below. And as a bonus to all of you guys, you can avail a 10% discount by using the code TECHNOLOOP10. Let's start by talking about the hardware. So on the rear side, there's a dual camera setup, a primary 12 megapixel wide angle camera and then a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Now on paper, these cameras might not seem the most interesting out there, but they are the most interesting out there when you look at the sample images. Let's start with daylighting conditions. When you give this camera setup ample light, it shines. The dynamic range is excellent, the photos are sharp and detailed, the white balance is somewhat on point, like it prefers warmer tones, and I have said this in the Pixel 4a versus iPhone 12 mini comparison video as well. Photos on the iPhone 12 mini are a little bit on the warmer side, but don't worry, it's nothing too extreme. Now what I like the most over here is the consistency between the main and the ultra wide angle camera. So colors are consistent throughout. It's not like the ultra wide angle camera is shooting something completely different in terms of colors and white balance. Nothing like that. Both of the photos are very consistent and that deserves a big fat thumbs up from my side. Now with that being said, the ultra wide angle photos are a little bit soft and that's been the case with the iPhone 11 as well. So they are softer as compared to the primary camera. So maybe next time Apple can include a higher resolution camera, maybe something like 16 megapixel or 24 megapixel, because that will definitely help for the ultra wide angle camera. So yeah, in terms of daylighting conditions, you are going to be able to shoot some amazing photos with the iPhone 12 mini. Now let's move our attention towards portrait mode. Now portrait mode this time around works like a charm. You will be able to shoot some really good portrait photos with the iPhone 12 mini. Portrait shots have a very good natural background blur and even the edge detection is on point. Like sometimes the edges are missed around the hair or something like that, but 8 out of 10 times you are going to get a very pleasing portrait shot with the iPhone 12 mini. Now there is just one small thing. I wish that there were a dedicated 2x button for the portrait mode, because portrait shots look good when they are zoomed in. Like 2x zoom would be the perfect scenario. Now this problem is solved in the iPhone 12 Pro series because it comes with a dedicated telephoto camera. So maybe next time around Apple can include all the 3 cameras in this series as well. That would be awesome. Now this gets me to artificial and low lighting conditions. Here's where iPhone 12 mini is better than the iPhone 11, and that is because of night mode for the normal camera as well as the ultra wide angle camera. So essentially you can shoot detailed and good looking photos in low lighting conditions with both of them cameras. Night mode on iPhone 12 mini is excellent and arguably one of the best out there. Now I know some of you are going to prefer the Pixel 5 or some other phone, but I prefer iPhone's night mode because it's a right balance between a natural looking photo and a good looking photo in low lighting conditions. I hope that you get my point. But anyway, coming back to the topic, low light photography is sorted with the iPhone 12 mini. Now there's just one small minor complaint that I have with the iPhone 12 mini. Yes, I do have complaints. You cannot enable night mode manually. So night mode will kick in automatically. There's no dedicated night mode button or switch. I wish that it were there, because there are some scenarios where night mode would not kick in and you would require to use night mode. So maybe Apple should give that control to us, because yeah, that is kind of important. So hopefully Tim Cook is watching this video. So please, Tim Bhau, zara kaitari kara. So that was photos from the rear camera. What about them selfies? Selfies turn out to be really good with the iPhone 12 mini. Selfies are detailed with decent enough dynamic range, natural skin tones, that is very important. And you also get a wide angle switch if you want to include more people in the frame. It's not like it has a dedicated wide angle camera, but it's just normally cropped in, and if you want to fit more people in the frame, you can just press the wide angle button and you can include more people in the frame. Now, I'm not a selfie guy. I don't click a lot of selfies on a regular basis, but if you are someone who is going to click a lot of selfies, then don't worry. iPhone 12 mini is not going to disappoint you. Now this gets me to the best part of this video, and that is video shooting from the iPhone 12 mini. iPhone 12 series is literally the best out there for video shooting, and iPhone 12 mini is no exception. You can shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS with stabilization, and the footage from this phone looks amazing, both from the wide angle camera as well as the ultra wide angle camera. The video footage has excellent dynamic range, very good colors, a good amount of sharpness and details, and it looks very pleasing to the eye. The videos that you shoot from this phone are excellent, and there's no competition over here. You can definitely use this phone for content creation because it is that good. Now this time around you can shoot in Dolby Vision HDR, but that is kind of a waste. If you want to know why, me and Katie Cloudy have made a video about it, and I will make sure to drop a link to it in the I button over here and also in the description box below. Now there's one more thing with the iPhone 12 mini, and that is the audio recording while you're shooting videos. So the mics on this phone are very good, and it will record crisp and clear audio. So say for example, if you're shooting an Instagram story or Instagram Reels, or if you're vlogging with this phone, you are sorted. You do not need to attach any external microphone. The built-in microphones would be just fine. All in all, iPhone 12 mini is an excellent package for the cameras. It might not be the best in one aspect, like Pixel 5 might beat it in low light photography, but as an overall package, it's the best out there. For photos, videos, selfies, etc., it's the best out there. Now, I'm not saying that it is worth its money. That's a different topic altogether. But if money is no objection and you have the budget for an iPhone 12 mini and you want to buy it for the camera experience, go for it. You won't be disappointed. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.